In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Chat new updates. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your account, finding the chat area, and making the most of the refreshed experience to keep your team connected and moving quickly. First, open your ClickUp account. If you already have one, simply sign in as you normally would. If you're brand new, head to the ClickUp website and create an account so you can access your workspace. During setup, you'll be guided to name your workspace and confirm your email. Keep things simple and recognizable so your team can find you easily later. Once you're in, you're ready to explore the updated chat features without any extra configuration. Next, look for the More menu. You'll find this in the left sidebar of the ClickUp interface. Depending on your screen size or layout, it may appear as an option labeled More or an icon with 3 dots. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over the edge or expand it so you can see all available tools. The goal here is to reveal anything that isn't shown by default, including the chat feature. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the sidebar. ClickUp can hide items when space is tight. Now, click Chat. This opens the dedicated chat area where you can use the latest updates. You'll typically see your list of conversations on the left and the main chat window in the center, with a message field at the bottom. Start by typing a message in the composer and send it to kick off the conversation. Use mentions to alert teammates and keep messages clear with short paragraphs so information is easy to scan. When context matters, attach files directly from your computer or cloud storage so everything lives in one place right alongside the discussion. If your team relies on specific tasks, reference them in your message so people can jump straight into the work with full context. You can format text for emphasis, add emojis to make intent clear, and reply in a focused way so threads stay organized. Use reactions to acknowledge updates without adding noise. If you want to keep important notes front and center, pin key messages so your team can find them quickly. You can also adjust conversation notifications to stay informed without getting overwhelmed. Choose alerts that support your workflow. That's it. Open your account, click More to reveal the tools, then click Chat to communicate, share context, and keep collaboration flowing. Take a few minutes to explore these updates, and you'll streamline teamwork across your projects.